Hi everyone, welcome Dunlap to our class, LEC for the Online and Blended Teacher. It was great meeting you in person last month, and as you know, I'll be your facilitator for this course. In case we've got some new folks, my name is Ima Sumac Marañón Davis. I know, a little intense. Remember, Ima is fine. Let's jump in and see what we're getting into for the next 8 weeks. A quick recap from our presentation last month. We usually run about one module a week, making this an 8-week class. After all modules are completed, you will prepare a portfolio, which you are given another week to complete, even though the work is done. Each module includes a discussion board, a project, and a reflection. Let's take a look at the assignment expectations. Course assignments are pass or no pass. Portfolio assignments are based on a 3-point rubric. The expectations are you need to score 3 to pass LEC. We'll work with you if you don't score a 3. For your portfolio, there are one of these in each module. You build your portfolio as you go through the course, and then we'll put it all together in a portfolio. All right. Let's head over to Haiku and see how things are set up. When you sign in, you'll land on the welcome page. Any announcements will show up here. There will be announcements every week, either in video or written. To the left, you will find the pages to our class. As you can see, a lot of the information you'll need to be successful in our class will be here. For example, if you want to see a list of assignments and when they are due, you have a checklist here. Our syllabus is also here, and of course, you have rubrics and tutorials. These will all support you in completing our class. Each module is on a page and will open up each week. On each page, you will find the textbook readings for that module. It is important that you keep up with the readings for each module. You will be expected to use the information learned in the textbook in your responses to our discussions and reflections. You will also find any discussions, reflections, and assignments for that module that you need to complete. On the first page of each module, you will find assignments for that module as well. For our first module, your first discussion will be to introduce yourself to the group. You will also be completing your first reflection. Feel free to use your blog for reflections and just post the link to your blog in your reflection. If you choose to blog, check out our blogging resource page. I do want to mention a protection that might be enabled on your browser. If you notice, there should be videos here, but we can't see them. If that happens to you, check in the top left corner of your browser, or depending on the browser you might have, it might be on the right-hand side, and look for a lock or privacy symbol. Tap on this symbol and disable protection. Now, if you refresh your page, your videos will show up. Grading will be determined using rubrics. Each module has a rubric you can review as you complete your work. To review your grades for each module, go to the Assess tab and you'll find your grades there. For each grade posted, your grade will be next to your name and assignment. Take some time to explore our class, and any questions you have, please feel free to use our class inbox to write me a message. Also, I'm pretty active on Twitter. Please feel free to follow me on Twitter and share with me your Twitter handle as well. Finally, I will be at Dunlap for a face-to-face meeting on Tuesday, January 12th, after school, to help you sign in and to get going on LEC. It's not a mandatory meeting, but if you'd like some support or want to stop by and say hello, I'll be there. And with that, I'll see you next week or online.